and just type in drive.google.com, and it should take you to, sometimes it'll take you to your personal. If it does, just click right over to your school Drive account, and that's usually found at the top right. Okay, so here is my Google Drive. And the way that I usually upload documents, videos, images from your actual desktop is just go to New and just do File Upload. Pretty simple. So I just want to show you how to do a simple upload, a document, a Word document. So let's say I'm going to go to my desktop and let's say I want to, oh, I don't know, let me upload this video. Actually, this is a test tutorial video. I wanted to make sure my QuickTime was working. So I want to upload this video. So say you want to create a quick video tutorial for your students. You save it on your desktop, go to Google Drive and do the actual file upload. Click on it, hit open, and it'll show it uploading to your Drive account here at the bottom right. So it looks like it's going to take about a minute or so. So you'll see it. Hopefully not too long. It wasn't a long video. Okay, about halfway through. As soon as that is uploaded, you'll typically scroll down and it'll show you like recent uploads to your Google Drive account. So it looks like it is done. Get the green light here. Okay, so we're good. So one upload, it was just a test tutorial video. Scroll down, we'll look exactly for that title here. And where are you? There it is, right here. Test tutorial video. So it's uploaded onto my Google Drive. So I'm going to come back to that later when I actually work on the website. So that's how you do a video. So let me show you do a document. Same idea. Go to New, File Upload, and let's say I want to go to, oh, I don't know, maybe one of these old Link Crew documents, and I want to look at the acceptance letter. I'm going to upload that. All right, so that's a Word document. I'm going to hit open. So it's titled acceptance letter. This should be pretty fast. There it is. It's uploaded to my Google Drive. And I'm going to scroll down. It should be near the bottom. Where are you? And acceptance letter. Here it is. Sorry, looks like they go by alpha order. So that is on my Google Drive. So I went ahead and uploaded a Word document from my desktop and a quick video. So it's all on my Google Drive. Now when I go to Google Sites, I can easily just access those and upload it right to the site directly. Okay? So the way you get to Google Sites, you go to New, and then go and scroll down, hit More, and go to Google Sites. And from there, if you've created any Google Sites, it'll show up the templates that you've had, or it'll go right to the actual generic template. So let's say that just for this time that we're away from the school site until this whole coronavirus is resolved, I just want to say I'm teaching Bio B. I'm going to put my name down, Bio B, and here at the bottom, let me just title this, temporary website during school closure. Oops. Closure, spring 2020. More specific, coronavirus. Here we go. All right, so it's just quick title. And then from there, I mean, I would encourage you can look and change the images and background and all the different things here, but I just want to jump right into the features so you can quickly upload things. After you've done this maybe 2-3 times, it's pretty simple and quick. I know initially it might be tricky just learning it, but as soon as you go through the motions, it's super user-friendly, and I hope you find use of this here. So what you'll do to upload documents right to your Google website here is double-click the bottom left of your touchpad, and it'll give you this wheel with different features here. This is images. You can go ahead if you want to post images. Click that, but I want to jump right into things I think that you'll find useful considering like what's happening now with us being away from the school site. So if you want to do announcements, go right to text. and automatically it'll give you a text line here and say that you just want to make some announcements. Read chapters 2 and 3 of whatever book you're reading or by the end of the week. So you just want to do a quick announcement. That's the option there. You just hit the actual text here in the middle. Um, Now, if you want to upload items, now the last time that we worked with this wasn't syncing. So you can try this out and see if it works with your laptop. Some laptops, some PCs were working, MacBooks weren't working at the time, last time I used it. So in the interest of time, I'm going to show you right where you go right to the From Drive. So if you go From Drive, it'll take you right to your Google Drive. So earlier I showed you guys how to post a video and a document. So we'll find that video. It was the testing video. So we're going to scroll down here near the end. And it was titled Test Tutorial Video. So I'm going to go and click that. And it'll hit insert. And it should post it here at the bottom left. So students will quickly be able to access that. Say, for example, it's a short tutorial video that you wanted to share with the students. And so you have that option there. It's going to take here a second to do that. So while that's loading, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to post up a document. So double click the bottom left of your touchpad and go to From Drive. We posted up that acceptance letter from, I think it was the Link Crew folder that I have. Here you go. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and insert that. So now that should show up here on the far right. Okay. But still, the video's still loading there. So just some things to share with you. You can always kind of change the layout, play around with this. Another feature that they have too is that if you scroll down, if there's like a website you go to or like a YouTube link you want them to watch, you can click directly to that and then just put the YouTube link. So you can even do searches on the spot. So let's say that, I don't know, you're maybe in, I'm not sure where the bio teachers are. Maybe I want them to watch a video on meiosis, and I just type a quick YouTube search on it, and I want them to watch this video, and hit select, and it'll show up. And then here to the far right, well, in this space here, I can make a quick announcement. Watch video and respond to the following questions. Okay, so that's another feature that I thought was useful when I was teaching bio and health science. So those are just a couple things you can do that you can easily just send this link to this website to your students. Now, this is still loading. While it's loading, let me show you how to actually publish this site so it's easy for your students to access. So you'll go here, first off, just so if you want to take a look and see what it'll look like for the students if they're using it from their mobile app, you can press this button, and this is what it'll look like on the desktop computer. This is what your website would look like on a tablet, and then their mobile devices would look like. You can go back, and then in terms of publishing this and making this accessible to your students, you'll want to go to press publish, and then it'll put this link, this text box here where you'll have to type something that distinguishes your site from all the Google websites that they'll make. So you can just pretty much put anything down that'll be distinct from you and other people creating sites. So let's say I put down Santos 2020, and I can use that so that Google can identify this website, and I hit publish. Okay, so then from there it's published, it's official. Now in terms of sharing it with your students, you're going to go ahead and copy the link. So you're going to go to this link. Actually, you know what? Before you actually do that, I would go here, share, and then I would have students, I would choose the option where students can see this. Anyone can see it because they might be using their Google Gmail or whatever your preference is. I know that if you put down anyone at LASD, then sometimes if the students aren't on the school account, they won't be able to access it. So it's up to you. I typically go with this option just because they can easily access this, even though they're using their personal Gmail. Hit save there, okay, and you're done. So now you can go to this link icon, press that, and copy the link to your clipboard. And then if you send an email out to your students or to through Schoology, then they should be able to quickly access it. All right, so I'm just going to test this out and email it to myself, see if the link is working. So let's send this to myself. There we go. Okay, a little slow here. All right, there we go. So I'm just testing the link. Now, depending on how you communicate to your students, whether it's through Schoology or you have a email roster you send them to. So I'm just going to show you how to test this link here, make sure it works, copy it, and send it to myself. Okay, so that's one way. You have the link. Link should be live, published, and you should be able to access the website. So there it is. All right, hopefully that video posted. Okay, wait. All right, so it looks like you'll need permission. So as soon as students click this, you'll get a notice on your email, so you just have to give them permission. Now, the other way to share your website with your students is you can simply go to tinyurl.com. I think this is going to be helpful because students will just quickly type whatever URL you create for them onto their mobile phones, the URL actual box. So you can go to tinyurl.com, and the website link is already on my clipboard. So if I go here and copy it here, and then I type in something that'll help the students remember. So let's say I say Santos, yeah, maybe I say Santos Bio 2020. And then I don't think anyone stole or used this URL, so then make tinyurl. So it looks like they approved it. So now I can share this with my students. I can tell them, hey, type down tinyurl.com/SantosBio2020, and they should be able to access the website. So that's another way that I think would be helpful. So we'll even test this out. So let me just highlight this, copy it, and then go to a blank URL and see what comes up. So that's another way that you can share the created website to your students. Might take a little longer. Oops. So yeah, it goes to this first because it's tinyurl. We're using their services. Proceed to site, and it should go to the website we just created. And there we are. So hopefully that's something that'll be useful to you during this time. Feel free to email me or call me and contact me and let me know if there's anything I can do to help you with the technology and the different things that we'll be working through here as we're trying to provide the academic lessons to our students during this time. Okay? Send me an email. Let me know what I can do to help you out during this time. Thanks again. Take care, everybody. Be safe. Bye-bye.